Thank you to Cornershop for sponsoring today's video. A new gig platform taking on the shopping industry is coming to several cities across the US, and it's called Cornershop. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we're going to talk about a new company that's entering the US, and it's called Cornershop, and it's a grocery delivery service. Over the last year and a half, many gig workers went primarily from rideshare driving into different aspects of the gig economy. Shopping has exploded, and now one of the newest options that's available rapidly throughout the US is called Cornershop. So let's talk about exactly what Cornershop is. We'll talk about what areas it's available in currently, and it is expanding. So if it's not in your market yet, keep an eye out because it likely could be very soon. And then we're also going to talk about earnings when it comes to Cornershop. So Cornershop is an up-and-coming platform that deals with shopping and delivery. So it is going to be in grocery stores and specialty food stores as well. So think of things like your seafood merchant or a butcher shop or anything like that. And then any orders that come in, a shopper will go and shop and then deliver that shopping order. So Cornershop started in 2 markets in May of 2020, which is in Dallas and Miami. And now it is in Miami, New York City, Dallas, Washington, D.C., New Jersey, New Orleans, Houston, Austin, Orlando, Tampa, and Jacksonville, with plans to expand to other metro areas across the US. And it will be launching very soon in San Francisco. Now, if you are interested in shopping with Cornershop and live in one of those cities, well, then make sure you sign up in the link in the description below, and you'll be able to start shopping very soon. Now, if you haven't seen your city there yet, just give it a little bit of time because they do have plans to expand into several different markets. All right, some of the benefits of being a Cornershop shopper is, 1, you get to earn on your own schedule. It's very flexible. Being in a gig platform, it's more flexible. That's always a great thing. Not only that, if you need to stay in a certain area, you can, because you're going to cover a smaller area in Cornershop than, say, somewhere on rideshare, where you could be all over your city and even go much further. So there's going to be less driving and a more predictable schedule. Also, if you prefer grocery shopping over rideshare driving or food delivery, then that will be great for you. There's also one more benefit when you are shopping over rideshare or food driving, and that is you're going to be walking a lot more. So if you wanted to keep in shape, this is a great way because you're going to be walking a lot more, but you're going to be driving a lot less. So that's a nice added benefit right there. Now, Cornershop is an excellent opportunity, and it is always recommended here at the Rideshare Guy that you work multiple gig apps, try different ones, see what you like, and then stick with the ones that make the most sense to you. Cornershop is a great option, especially for the few benefits that I mentioned earlier. And also because it's newer, not as many people might be knowing about it or ordering from it. So if it's a little bit quiet and you have time to go out and make money, well, you can always switch to another app and wait for some orders to come in. Now, signing up is easy. And if you signed up for any other platform, it's very much the same, just a couple of different tweaks as in the order of uploading things and filling out certain information. So it is very easy. Again, just make sure you click the link in the description below. Okay, now you might be saying, well, this is great, a different option, something new, and you're like, yeah, I want to try this out. Let's get to the last point, and that is, how much can you make on this? Because, well, let's face it, if you're going to be working, you want to know how much you're going to make, right? Now, first off, the earnings that shoppers do get is going to vary city by city. But simplyhired.com gave a range estimate of anywhere from $8.25 per hour up to $24.75 per hour. And again, the discrepancy between those two is because maybe it's a newer market, people don't really know about it yet. And that, again, is why we always say multi-app. So when there are no orders coming in, you can try something else until some orders come in. But the average that they're saying that people are making is around $16.50. Again, between those both ranges. And as things get busier, as more people are using Cornershop for their grocery shopping and getting it delivered, then you're going to start seeing that rise up higher and higher. But again, remember, it is going to vary city by city. And one of the great things is that Cornershop drivers do keep 100% of the tips. And current Cornershop drivers have been saying they've been seeing on average about 50% of people are tipping. So that is always a wonderful thing to see too, because when you compare that to rideshare driving, you might get 2 or 3 out of 10 rides that tip. And this is about 50%. So you have a greater chance of getting tipped. Now, if you are already a Cornershop driver, comment below with how you enjoy it and some of the perks that you find when being a Cornershop driver. Now, if you're a gig worker and you like making extra money and trying different apps, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And again, special thank you to Cornershop for sponsoring today's video. And also make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos do come out. All right, everyone, drive safe.